It's not an eater.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we'll take it.
It's a nice one.
Spitting up emeralds.
Got him. What do we got here? Nice patch. Good patch here. Got another one down there too. Eat this guy here. Gotta get right back down. Fire in the hole. Right up. I got two of them coming up. Got him. Got two more down there still. Ooh, little waller. Yeah. Looks like probably a school of little ones. There's two or three there yet. Little baby waller.
The other one was a perch there, right?
Yeah, the other one, the first one was. That's good though. We got some action milk. Ooh, coming right up, coming right up. This one's acting finicky like a waller would. Ooh, struck it. Feels like a little waller. Nope, perch. Nice little male perch. Got one. Oh, nice perch. Gotta get back down there. Got him. What do we got here? Small perch. Be an instant bite here. Yep. Here it comes. Right up to it. Got him. Good one. Nice perch. Gotta get back down there. Holy cow, look at that school. Fish everywhere. Got him. Another perch. Still a whole bundle down there. Got him. This is insane. Oh my gosh, look at that screen. Got him. This is nuts. Ooh, nice one. Good eaters. Got him. Ooh, that's a better fish. That's got weight.
Wally.
Yeah, it's a wally, dude. Nice. Oh man. Oh, big perch. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Look at that perch. I thought that was a walleye, dude. It didn't move when I set the hook. Literally didn't move. That's a lipper there. Ooh, striker. Yeah, I think he hit it and went to turn down.
What color you got on?
Gold.
Below white, it's not drawing them in.
Ooh, good hit. Probably a perch. Yep, little dinker. Got him.
Stuck them.
Not bad. Big. But maybe the color of the bait. Ooh! Which one was that?
Tungsten.
Damn. What color?
Like a white and black stripe.
Yeah, maybe I'll put on a different lure on here. I think I'll just cut this whole thing off for now.
He fucking was there. I just saw
I know, I saw that too. It looked like you're stuck on the bottom.
Nice patch.
Fish? Minnow. Man, mine are like turning.
Ooh, that's a fucking walleye.
Is it?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice.
Oh my god.
God.
Dude.
Nice perch.
That thing followed me up to 6 foot.
Damn, dude.
Solid patch.
Nice, dude. Fucking nice. Yeah, I can tell they're here too. I was just fucking with them.
They're rattling minnows.
Nice,
They didn't
dude.
look that big.
No, the one I had didn't either. I can tell.
Right on the lip.
What'd you do to get them?
Reeled up. Reeled
Steady?
Up slow. Yeah.
Were you shaking or just reeling?
Just reeling.
Dude. Good size Walter here. Stick them out. Yeah, dude. Nice fish, man. Come on, baby. Oh,
jiggle, dude. They don't like the jiggle.
No, they don't. I haven't been getting them because I'm using a hyperglide. When you jiggle it, it flaps.
Yeah, they don't like
And they don't like that.
every different color.
Dude, we could have seen that fish if it was... that was right under the ice. Yeah, bright neutral.
Alright, so that pretty much does it for this walleye trip, which turned into a perch trip. We've been here a few times now, and the walleye here are really finicky. There's times where they're heavily aggressive, chasing the baits as fast as you can reel. But they're really finicky. It's hard to get them, and we still haven't really been able to pick up on it yet. But here's some of the last clips here where you can see the walleyes coming in on my dead stick. They were in a negative mood at that time, and that was the only way to get them to come in, and they would just swim in and stick their nose right on the bait, and there's nothing you could do to get them to go.
I don't even want to do it.
Yeah,
You have to.
catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
And then he was tickling it with his finger. Make it. Come on, dude. Thump it. Dude.